Like G is pretty hard. It's a pretty difficult game. Gods Unchained is a pretty difficult card game. You can't just jump in and like.
Okay, I really am glad you're saying that because I did like the tutorial. Like, there's a tutorial on the website, and they walk you through every step except at the very like the last step will be like, okay, like go defeat the god now or whatever. And I was like, I'm sorry, what? You've abandoned me in my moment of greatest need.
Don't leave. Oh my God, that's actually good feedback for the team. I'm like, please don't abandon people. You're like, oh no, I'm gonna die.
You have endless times, I think, to try it, but then I'll win, and then I'm like, I have no idea how I just won. Like, you know, so I think we're gonna do it. I think that's like episode 6. And people may hate it. It may be the worst content Immutable X ever puts out. But it's just me and like somebody on your team, and me just asking all the stupid ass questions of like, okay, well, why did that work? Why can't I do XYZ? Why can't I do PQR?
This would actually be incredibly useful. It's high drama, but also very educational.
That's what I aspire to in my content. High drama, but very educational.